Okay, so today we will be doing a little bit of fractions. Last week we did like mixed number, adding and subtracting. So today we'll move into something called multiplication, okay? All right, children, the time now is 5:30. 5:30, let's begin lesson, all right? Oh, it's an eye appointment. Yes, Jasmine, sorry, I've forgotten. Yeah, all right, so let's begin lesson. The time now is 5:30. So as I was trying to say just now, we will be doing a little bit of multiplication of fractions today. All right, so it's like fractions times fraction or fractions times number. So last week we did a little bit of mixed number adding and subtracting. So let's move up. Let's upgrade a little bit into multiplication. And I know, all right, in P5, right, the school never teach you how to do division. I know, but the worksheet got right. Correct. So children, again, right, sometimes, right, idiot tuition, right, we always have some extra thing. Okay, it's not super important, all right? It's just that we have some extra knowledge for you to absorb if you can. All right, so today we'll be doing a little bit, just a little bit of division. All right, it's not going to be the main show of today. The main show is on multiplication of fractions. All right, but it's very easy to do division. Don't worry about it. It's all about 3 words that you need to know. All right. So sometimes we do a little bit of extra thing. I hope that you can be open-minded about it. Can? All right. Then after that, we will have a little bit of Kahoot. All right. Then after that, we will do a little bit of more of multiplication of fractions kind of questions, and we are good to go. Okay. Okay. So last week, right? Last week, I gave you. Hey, hello, Toby. Last week, I gave you all 1 question as a homework. Last week, I gave you all as a homework 1 question. This is the 1 question about Gabriel. Gabriel. All right, let's take a look at this question. Gabriel bought some paint to paint his flat. All right. He used 27.17 liters of paint for the living room. Wow. All right. So children, this one is liters. This one is a units. All right. A units. It's like kg. It's like meter. This is like liters. Okay. For the living room. 6.19 liters. Can you see now? Again, liters. This is another of the same units of paint for the study room. And 12.509 liters. Again, this is a unit of paint for the master bedroom. How many liters of paint did he use all together? Ayaja. Very simple, right? Yes, Fanta grape. I saw your answer is perfect. It's correct. Thank you. No, it's not correct. Toby, you got check again? Right. I think I don't know. It might be a careless mistake. But let me check. Right, my answer might be wrong. So let's see. So down here we have 27 and 1/7. This is for the what? For the living room. Plus what? The study room is 6 and 1/9 liters. And for the what? Master bedroom is 12 and 5/9. So simply you're supposed to add them all together. Ming, no. No. Hey, children must add carefully and slowly. All right. So what should I do? What should I do? Actually, right, the first thing I will do is to make the what? Make the denominator the same first. All right. Because when you add or subtract fractions, remember your denominator must be the same. Jovi, yes. Jasmine, woohoo! Excuse me. Correct. All right. So Jovine and Jasmine got the answer that I have. So Toby, I think you better check your work a bit. All right. It's a little bit wrong, just a little bit. Okay. So the rest of you, think of 7 and 9. 7 and 9, no problem, Mingy. It's okay, don't worry. All right, between 7 and 9, what is the LCM? LCM means what? Lowest common multiple. All right, so you'll be thinking of the 7 and the 9 timetable. What is similar? So you think of the 9 timetable first. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63. Oh, yeah, no choice. All right. So you have to use 7 times 9 and 9 times 7. Is that okay? So down here, I'll put an equal sign. The mixed number, the number, I will hold it as 27. Right, down here, I will change the rest to what? I will change the rest, the denominator to a what? To a 63. Are you all still following? All right, because when you add or subtract fraction, you must have the same denominator. Down here, 7 times 9 1 also must times 9. What is this called? This is called equivalent fraction. Ah, yes, Toby, you got it already. Very good. Very good. All right, so down here, you have to times 9 to the bottom times 9 to the top. This is called equivalent fraction. Whatever you do to the denominator, you must do to the numerator. This is called fairness. 9 times 7, 1 times 7. 9 times 7, 1 times 7. All right, Watcher, you dare to do 3 fractions plus together? Yes, I dare. All right, you also can. You also can. All right, children, you're in P5 already. Right, you need to be more brave and try to take the leap. Right, take the leap of faith. Don't have to be afraid. Just do it first. Can? Okay, so down here, what do you do? Can you see that you have 9 over 63, 7 over 63, and 35 over 63? Okay, so 9 plus 7 is a 16. 9 plus 7 is a 16. 16 plus 35 is a 51. Can you see not? All right, 16 plus 35 is a 51. Okay, so this portion, right, the purple color, right, this one, these three, will give you a 51 over what? The denominator never change, the denominator is still a 63. Can? How about the black color number? Right, how about this one? 27 plus 6 plus 12. All right, so 27 plus 6 is a 33. 33 plus 12 is a, you see? It's a 45. All right, so some of you got 47 just now. I say it's a careless mistake. So, is this the final answer? Ta, ta, ta. All right, it's better to do a what? Yes, Rubini, your answer is correct. Perfect. All right, Darius, are you sure? The first number is 45 already. How can it be 8? You have to do a little reduce to the lowest term. Can? So, 51 and 63 can actually divide by 3. Divide by 3. 51 divided by 3 is equal to 3 times 1 is 3. Remainder of 2, bring down the 1. 3 times 7 is 21. Whoa! All right. And you have a 17 on top. 63 divided by 3 easy is a 21. All right. Your 45 is still over here. And this is your answer. Whoa, just scary number. Yes, it's okay. It's correct. Can you see now? So whatever the fraction gives you, right? You just got to follow the rules. What is the rules for adding and subtracting fraction? The denominator must be the same. And you slowly do it. All right, you slowly do it. It will be okay, one, children. Not too bad, right? Hello, Emma. Hey, Jacob, what's up today? Are you okay? Very good. Okay, so children, this was the homework from last week. Not very difficult? Or is it difficult? Okay, right? All right, so don't worry about problem sum. I don't like problem sum. Actually, it's quite straightforward. What? Just plus the 3 fractions together. All right. So yeah, Rukmini, this is fun, correct? You are supposed to try to think. You must try to think a little bit positive, children. Right? Because every time you'll be facing problem sums no matter what. So rather than facing it, problem sums again, so difficult. Instead of facing it like that, why not? Let's try. All right, let's have fun. All right, let's try to get this correct. So once you have this type of attitude towards the questions, right, I tell you, all right, math is a lot more fun. Can? Hello, Zenda. So Zenda, just now we were talking about this particular question. This was from last week's homework. All right, if you can take a quick picture of this. I'm going into today's lesson already. Are we doing any math exam paper? Yes, meaning we are. All right, we'll be doing it for the WA2 actually. All right, so you know that this time round, right? This time round, the schools do not have any mid-year exam already, right? The schools already removed the mid-year exam, but AD Tuition, we still have our own mid-year exam. All right, so now we are preparing the mid-year exam. So our mid-year exam will be probably at the end of March. All right, so during the end of March to the beginning of April, we will be having a few of these exam paper to practice. All right, and it's to prepare for some of your school, the WA2. Yes, we do. All right, but we don't prepare for WA1 because WA1 is like last time we call it CA1. It's just like a small test. So you are supposed to kind of prepare that for yourself. Can? Wow! Darius, are you kidding? Somebody got full mark. All right, that's Darius. Somebody got full marks for I don't know. I think it's a math. I hope so. It's a math. Can? All right, Xander, are you ready? All right. Hey, so children, just to let you know, math can get full marks one. It's possible. All right. Don't say that it's only for primary 3, primary 4. Nope. Primary 5 got people get full marks one. All right. Even for the big exam, you can do it. All right. You can do it. But first, as I say, you need to be what? You need to be much more open-minded, adaptable. Don't say that, teacher never teach. Teacher never teach means that we don't learn, man. Don't have this type of thinking. Stop it. Stop it. Don't have this type of thinking. Teacher never learn. I learn. Next time I can be better. When teacher asks, I know. That is supposed to be the correct attitude, children. All right. So don't wait for things to happen. All right. We need to take some proactive steps to make you better and stronger. Can? Yeah. Wow. Some people top in class and all this got full marks also. Very good. Right. Keep up the good work. Woo! All right. So children, let's move into today's work, shall we? Okay. So you're supposed to actually upload the solution for questions 7 and 9. There are some students who did that. People like Kalista, people like Darius. This time around, Jasmine never update. Oh, I never see her one. Is it Jasmine? You upload? I don't know. Yeah, so a few of the students did upload. Right, good to see some other names like Darius. All right, good job. Okay, come. So under the today's lesson, right, we'll be focusing on here. All right, this one I know. All right, I know that your school is not teaching, I know, but it's again, this is all about 3 words only. This dividing by fraction thing is all about 3 words. Later, I'll share with you the 3 words. All right, it's good to know. It's good to know. Can? Oh, Jasmine only upload question 7. Oh, yeah. Is it? I think so. I think so. Later, I check. Yeah, I think I got some old man syndrome. I forget things. Yeah, I might need to go and get my eye checked also. sorry. Not funny. Okay, so we are talking about some word problems later. All right, but the main highlight of today's lesson is about the product. How do you multiply by 2 fractions? That's the main highlight. Okay, come. Let's take a look. Okay, so children, down here, right, how do you multiply fractions? So the key so for those who are new for this lesson, right, usually I have a little bit of quick notes. And these quick notes, right, if you can write with me, that will be great. All right, if you can have your own jotted book and you can write this with me, it will be great. All right. Then at least next time when you need to do some revision, you guys got to look at all these notes can already. Multiplication of fractions. Okay. So all these notes, right, are all beautifully colored by the artist himself. That's me lah. Okay, sorry. So funny. All right, so multiplication of fractions. This is important. This is the most important highlight of the day. Can? Okay, so usually I show you like first method. We have method 1. Right, method 1. This is the most common method. All right, this is called numerator times numerator, or we call it top times top, bottom times bottom. Top times top, bottom times bottom. All right, so bottom is called the what? Bottom is called the denominator, I know. But because the word denominator got 5 syllables. Ayo, I say until I'm very tired. Right, instead I use the word bottom. Bottom only got 2 syllables. All right, so method 1 is easy. Top times top, bottom times bottom. So for example, you are given a question like this. Hey, what is 5 over 7 times 3 over 5 or 3 over 4? Sure, easy. As what you say, top times top, bottom times bottom. The top is what? The top is made up of 5 and 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. Yes, Toby, I saw your answer is correct. Bottom times bottom, 7 times 4 is 28. Correct, lor? Huh? Sure. So simple. Yeah, lor. Who says it's difficult? Nobody say math is difficult, what? Right? But some of you are just fearful of it. Don't be fearful of math. All right, you can be fearful of lizard, maybe. Do you know that I am scared of lizard? All right, I'm so sorry. Yeah, so you can be fearful of certain thing, but you shouldn't be fearful of mathematics. And recently, my wife and my son, very bad. They went to this shop. They went to a shopping mall and they bought the fake lizard. You know the one, the rubber one, the fake lizard and the fake cockroach. Yeah, and they purposely throw it at me. You know. Yeah, so I was like screaming and running around. I'm sorry. Yeah, I know that I'm a big man. I know I'm a big, huge giant, but I'm still afraid of lizard. So this is a truth. This is truth. I never lie to you. All right, but seriously, okay, just